Here is how to use your phone as a webcam for your PC. And we're going to do this using the link to Windows app. So let's get started. So now on your PC, just go to Settings and then go to Bluetooth and Devices. Then select Mobile Devices, that's here, and you have to ensure that the first option is enabled. So currently it's off, so enable this. And now we have to add our phone as a device. So click on Manage Devices. So if you've added your phone before this, you'll see it here, or else just click on Add Device, that's written here. And here, they've given us this QR code, which we'll have to scan from our phone, and then our phone and PC will be connected. So here, I've come to my phone, and the first thing we have to do is ensure that Link to Windows is installed on this device. So just go to the Play Store, and now search for Link to Windows. So most phones already have it, so you can just open it, but if it's not installed, then you'll have to install it. Once you've opened it, just select Sign in using the QR code on your PC. Then click on Continue. And here on my PC, they've given this code, so I'll just enter it. After that, you'll have to log in with your Microsoft account, so just enter your password. And as you can see, both devices are getting connected. So now on your phone, just click on Continue. And now the setup is ready on both devices. So here, I've come back to my PC, and next to your phone, ensure that it's enabled. It's this option. And they have many settings below over here. But one which is important to us is this one, Use as a connected camera. So you have to ensure that this is on. So now the entire setup is ready, and you'll have to ensure that both devices are connected over Wi-Fi. And once this is done, we can test it out. So to test it, I'll just go to a Google Meet. Here, I've come to Google Meets. And if I go to the video settings, that's here. Then here, I can select a different camera. And as you can see, one option is my phone. So I can click on this. Now it's connecting to my phone. And here you can see the camera being used is my phone's. And I can also switch the camera. So if I click on Switch to Front, then here it switched to the front camera. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to transfer photos from your phone to PC, check out this video. Goodbye.